Hello guys, my name is Luca from AudioTribe YouTube channel, and in this video I will unbox the brand new soundbar from JBL, the JBL Bar 1000. At the end I will let you with a sound test and I will give you my first impressions. So here we go. So here we have the wireless rear speakers with Atmos function. We have two of them. We have a box with cords, HDMI, and the remote control. And here we have, it's heavy, it's very heavy. Here we have the main unit of the soundbar, the JBL Bar 1000. So first impressions, it is very heavy. And it's very nice. It's just like the JBL Bar 500, but bigger, and with speakers that firing the sound above, so the Atmos function will be heard very good, not like the JBL Bar 500 that I invite you to see on my YouTube channel. And here we have the big boy. And here we have the JBL Bar 1000 soundbar. In my opinion, is the same with the JBL Bar 500 and 800, but we will see. Now let's see what we have in the tiny box. Okay, so we have the manual that no one reads. We have an USB, an HDMI, I think that is a 2.1, two cable cords that connects the main unit of the soundbar and the subwoofer. We have wall brackets, batteries, and here is the new release model. Of the remote control. So it's identical with the remote from the JBL Bar 500, but I see here at Atmos function they have levels. We will try, and we have volume for rear speakers. And now after the unbox, I will connect the JBL Bar 1000 with the TV via HDMI 2.1 and I will give you a sound test at max volume. And hopefully it will blow my mind. Feel free to subscribe AudioTribe YouTube channel and please hit that like button.